Good afternoon, student. Ninth standard student, all of you watch this video carefully, and it's a online teaching way. And all of you purchase or buy book from your old schoolmates or the old ninth standard student, so you can study well. This is the first lesson of our ninth standard English book. The book is very easy and very understandable to us. The fun they had. The first lesson name is The Fun They Had. म्हणजे ते जे मजा करायची ती मजा. दे हॅड म्हणजे जे करत होते ते पास्टमध्ये दिलेलं आहे. जे मजा करत होते ते. द फन दे हॅड. दे म्हणजे कोणाला रेफर केलेलं आहे इथे. दे म्हणजे त्या लोकांसाठी. आपण नेक्स्ट पाहूयात. जसं जसं लेसन आपण पाहू तसं आपल्याला कळेल. As we see in the lesson, we can understand about the meaning also this title. The fun they had. ते जे मजा करत होते. See the picture. What is the picture here? Schools of the future. Here the whole lesson is about the school of the future. Future मध्ये schools कसे असतील? Means there is a learning app, various learning app, robotic teacher, learning through computer, virtual classroom and moving e-text. Means there is a no school like us. Means there is a no classmates there, no classes are there. At home you can take a teaching like this condition. Now this situation we can teaching like this. The e-learning or what we can say online teaching. The first lesson is about the future school they given. Means after the 20 years or after the 50 years, how the schools are, how the schools will be there. Okay, the story we shall read is set in the future when books and school as we know now them will perhaps not exist. Means books are not there, schools are not there. At home you can take a learning. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Means how will students study at that time? Means students study at home on computer. The moving text is there. Means like our book there is a text which is steady on the page, but on computer there is a moving text is there. In pair discuss 3 things that you like best about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. What is first question given there? The 3 things you liked about your school and the 3 things you would like to change about your school. Write down it. Have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computer? Nowadays, in now this situation, in corona situation, we already experience this online teaching when books are available on mobile also. Would you like such books better? Now tell you. Many of you called me and say that we can't understand this online teaching. Ma'am, when will school start? Means you not understand this type of teaching when actual a real teacher is in front of you and teach you. At that time only you understand. But here the robotic teacher is there, moving text is there. Means how will be the condition at that time, how will be the teaching is there, we can see. There is the Margie and Tommy. The 2 character is given here. See, Margie even wrote about in that night in her diary. Means Margie have a habit to write a diary. At that night he also writing about in her diary. On the page he read 17th May, not a 21,057. What is the year at that time? Now it's a 2020. At that time 21,057. Understood? Means 100 years will future is 100 years past. Today Tommy found a real book. He found a real book like our book, like this type of book. Those are our books. He found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. The book was, whose book this? Margie's grandfather. Whose book this? Margie's grandfather book. And at that time he told them that all the stories are printed on the page. म्हणजे like this, like our book. So every teaching, every stories are on the page. They turned the page, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. They found the pages. The pages with it was a yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means here they given with some folds, म्हणजे घड्या पडलेल्या होत्या, काही पेजला चुरगाळलेले होते. अँड इट वॉज ॲवफुल फनी. ॲवफुल म्हणजे खूप तिला वेगळं वाटलं की ते टेक्स्ट स्टडी होते, नॉट लाईक अ मूव्हिंग. मार्गी ऑलवेज लर्न बाय मूव्हिंग टेक्स्ट. ते मूव्हिंग टेक्स्ट कम्प्युटरवर फ्लॅश होतात की नाही जातात, ते स्क्रीनवरती ती शिकत होती. पण हे स्टडी वर्ड्स बघून तिला खूप काय झालं, सरप्राईज झाली, ते आश्चर्य वाटलं. Suppose on a screen means it not like a screen, they are not move, you know. And then when they turn back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. When he turned the page, the words like same means मागे जसे ब्लॅक कलरमध्ये वर्ड्स होते, पुढेही तसलेच वर्ड्स होते. इट्स नॉट अ मूव्हिंग ऑर डिफरंट वर्ड्स. गी सेड टॉमी, वॉट अ वेस्ट वेन यू आर थ्रो विथ द बुक्स. Sorry, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. What he said, गी means it is a surprising word, like exclamatory word. Oh shit, you like this word is key. Said Tommy, what a waste. Tommy what said, what a waste when you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Don't हे लांब फेकून दे, throw it away. I guess our television screens must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. काय म्हणतो, आपल्या टेलिव्हिजन स्क्रीनवर, आपल्या कम्प्युटरमध्ये मिलियन, हजारो असे बुक्स आहेत, आणि तू हे एक बुक काय घेऊन बसलेले आहे, त्याला लांब फेकून दे, हे फक्त वेस्ट आहे, दुसरं काही नाही. आय वुडंट थ्रो इट अवे. सेम विथ माइन सेड मार्गी. तरी तो काय म्हणतो, तरीसुद्धा मला हे का फेकून देऊशी वाटलं नाही, मीच फेकून द्यायला हवं होतं, आता तू फेकून दे, असं तो टॉमी म्हणतो. सेम विथ माइन, मार्गी काय ते माझंही तसंच झाले. शी वॉज 11 अँड hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 30. What is the age of Margie here? 11 years. And what is the age of Tommy here? 13 years. So as Margie hadn't seen as many books as Tommy had. जेवढे टॉमीने बघितले तेवढे बुक्स अजून मार्गीने पाहिले नाही. टॉमीने त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त बुक्स रीड केले. शी सेड, वेअर डिड यू फाइंड इट? व्हॉट ही आस्क, वेअर डिड यू फाइंड इट? तुला कुठे मिळाले हे? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic means here they give in a space just below the roof as a store room. आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, पोटमाळा म्हणता बघा तुम्ही, ॲटिक. बिलो द रूफ, रूफच्या तिथे एक पोटमाळा वगैरे असतो, जिथे सगळं स्टोअर केलेलं असतं आपले बरेच सामान. तिथे त्याला तेच बुक सापडलं. तो म्हणतो, आय फाउंड इट इन माय हाऊस इन द ॲटिक. व्हॉट्स इट अबाउट, म्हणजे ते कशाबद्दल आहे, कशाचं बुक आहे. व्हॉट्स इट अबाउट स्कूल. मार्गी वॉज स्कॉर्नफुल मीन्स इन अ सरप्रायझिंग वे. म्हणजे आपण ओरडणे, एकदम सरप्रायझिंगली तुम्ही ओरडता की नाही, स्कॉर्नफुल. स्कूल, व्हॉट्स देअर टू राईट अबाउट स्कूल? आय हेट स्कूल. स्कूलबद्दल आहे म्हणजे काय लिहिलं असेल स्कूलबद्दल, आय हेट स्कूल. Margie always hated school. Margie, like you, she doesn't like school. She always hated school. But now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. Means now she already hated the school, but now she hated more it. Why? What happened with her? The mechanical teacher, means the teacher who's teaching is mechanical subject, given her a test after the geography test, means one test is over, geography test, and after immediately they given a one test for it, and she wrote it worsely, म्हणजे अतिशय you know the bad degree, super bad, worse or worst, this is the 3 degree. तिने खूप ती वाईट लिहिली होती, and for that she her mother shaken her heart sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. He was a round little man with a red face. Country inspector means like our tuition teacher in our school. If you can't understand any subject, your father mother sent your another teacher to give a tuition, like a country inspector at that time. He was a round little man, means so round as a little man hota. They given a attire of this or description. Red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires, having a wires and dials, म्हणजे whole box. Mechanical means it having a whole apparatus with him. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. When he first time go towards the this country inspector, this country inspector gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Means he given an apple, she took apart him, means she just put it again. Margie had hoped she would not know how to put it together again, means what happened next, she think about it. And after so however, the large and black and ugly with a big screen, एका स्क्रीनवर कम्प्युटर स्क्रीनवर एक अगली असा फेस आला, आणि ही गिव अ लेसन, त्याने सगळा लेसन तिला स्क्रीनवर टीच केला आणि एक क्वेश्चन्स त्याला त्याच्यावर विचारले. दॅट वॉजंट सो बॅड, दॅट वॉज सो बॅड फॉर मार्गी. ओके, म्हणजे ते तिला काही अजिबात आवडलं नाही. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल सी टुमारो. ओके, थँक यू स्टुडंट. राईट डाऊन द ऑल हार्ड वर्ड्स कम इन दिस page. Remaining part we will see tomorrow. Watch the video carefully and read the lesson in your book. If you have English book with you, then read the lesson once again. Thank you.